What's up guys? We are back for another adventure and this time kasama ko ang buong fam. But before anything else, it's me again, Sajog, your travel and lifestyle vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries.
Thank you.
We are flying to Ho Chi Minh via Cebu Pacific. Evening flight vibes. Make sure to watch till the end dahil super wholesome family content to. Shopping haul, food trip galore, and pamper plus relaxation. So let's go Vietnam! Hello, Ho Chi Minh. Long flight but super worth it. Excited kasi kasama ko ang fam. First time kasi nila dito kaya let's go and explore. Time to dive into the adventure.
Hello guys, and good morning from Vietnam. So right now we are here at Ho Chi Minh International Airport and papunta na kami sa aming hotel. And ang way of transportation namin going to our hotel is the Grab. No? So make sure nyo na you have Grab app. Tapos yung Grab app natin sa Philippines is gumagana naman dito, no? So yeah, hanapin na lang namin siguro yung aming binook na Grab. Okay? So exactly time check right now it's 1:35 AM. And prior to our arrival, na-notify na kami sa aming hotel that we might arrive late na, so late check-in na kami. So very important yan, no? If you're coming late, no? So please notify your hotel na late check-in kayo. So ganun yan.
On the way to our hotel, riding a Grab. Super happy ako kasi tradition ko talaga to treat my parents at least once a year. This trip means so much to me, so let's enjoy every moment.
So this is our hotel for 5 days, Eden Garden Hotel.
Yeah.
You go inside, see this, so spacious. Hello guys, and we're staying here at Eden Garden 501, 5th floor. So let's have a room tour. So this is your bed, so very spacious siya. Good for 2 person. You have here your dresser, your cabinet, mirror, TV. And then go here, you have your own fridge. So gumagana siya. You have drinks there, pero I highly suggest not to drink it. Bumili na lang kayo sa convenience store. Upon checking, halos times 2 yung presyo. They also have here water, pero for the water, always look for the word free. On this instance, wala nakalagay na free, so may bayad to. So as well as the cup noodles, may bayad din yan. Pero paano usually nakalagay yung free na water natin? Doon sa coffee area. So bago tayo pumunta dyan, you have here your kettle and your landline. Okay? And then, siyempre, you have here your aircon. So yan, coffee set. So nandito usually yung mga free na water. Ano lang siya, 250 ml. When you go here, also mayroon ka maliit na CR dyan. When you go here sa bathroom nila, so you have very manageable toilet bowl. You have here your sink, and then also your mirror. Then also, you have here your shower na may heater na rin yan. For the bathtub, mag-shower na lang kayo. So, ganun, first time ko nakakita ng ganitong bathtub. Usually, yung bathtub talaga is typical na sa parang oblong. So, then here, you have your 2 face towel and then 2 bath towel. And here you can put your clothes. So yeah, per price of 3,000 pesos, pero kung maaga kayo mag-book, makukuha nyo pa to ng 2,500. This is located at District 1, and then to set your expectation, nasa red area district to. When you say red area district, yun yung maraming prostitution, maraming bars, so ganito ganyan. But the thing is, it is approximately less than 1 kilometer from Bintan Market, yung mga sikat na coffee shop like Highlands Coffee, Cafe Puklong, so any other aesthetic, and then most recommended cafe and restaurant here in District 1. So, sama nyo na to sa mga bucket list ng hotel nyo, lalo-lalo na kapag ang itinerary is a mix of leisure at saka shopping. This is for you guys. So, 70 to 80% ng nagsistay dito are mga Pinoy. So, I-include nyo na yan sa bucket list.
Good morning from Ho Chi Minh. So this is your free breakfast. So basically it's a bread, egg, cheese quesadilla, you have pizza, and then you have also mga sandwich, vegetables, and also fruits, no? On this side, you will see a microwave and a toaster as well. Tapos dito sa may gitna is your main dish. In this instance, wala na kayong makikita main dish cause naubos na pero nakakuha na tayo, no? So yon, sarado natin. And then on this area naman is vegetable bihon, something like that, and then also fried rice na parang trademark na ng mga Vietnamese, no? It's a parang fried rice mixed with margarine and then vegetable, pero with a twist, no? So alamin natin kung ano yung mga secret ingredients nila dito sa sa fried rice nila. So here naman is your coffee set, and then also may tea sila. So yun lang.
Hello guys and good morning from Ho Chi Minh. So right now we are here sa TP Bank, no? So to give you a background, so dumating kami na madaling araw tapos nag-rest lang kami doon sa hotel. And right now kailangan namin ng pocket money. So right now we are here sa TP Bank. So upon checking and siyempre by doing some research, no, TP Bank offers very low foreign exchange. Lalong-lalo na if you're using GCash card, no? So even yung GoTime. So very recommended on TP Bank. So tara, at samahan niyo akong mag-withdraw muna bago tayo mag-tour sa mga itinerary natin for today. Tara!
After withdrawing some cash, on the way na kami sa Bintan Market riding a Grab. First agenda for today is shopping kasi super excited yung mom for this. Alam niyo naman, yung mga typical Filipino mom, yan ang buhay nila.
Hello guys, so we are now here at Bintan Market. So sumakay tayo ng Grab and approximately parang ano lang siya, less than 1 kilometer from our hotel. So yeah, yan ang way of transportation dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So let's go inside na!
Mấy phố lên for you. One silver, you one hello. Cái này là dùng để số cái tê. Anh đi đâu cả tính là cả tê.
Naghanap na lang tayo dito ng siguro mga polo shirt. Tapos try natin tawaran. Dami mga shirt naman. Mga shirt naman to, mga printed shirt. Check na lang natin kung saan dito yung bagsak. Pero may mga bagsak naman dito. Let's try to find that one na lang.
Welcome to Bintan Market, one of the oldest and most famous public markets in Ho Chi Minh. Inside, you'll find souvenirs, clothes, local food, and pasalubong. Lahat nandito. Super lively and perfect for shopping.
Mga shoes din dito. So basically, parang complete naman dito sa market na to. So bags, apparels, shoes. So name it, meron dito. Just have to know how to bargain, no? Yan, mga Onitsuka. I will look into it.
Yeah, we have for black, blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is not big logo, and also small logo. Dark blue,
Maybe. Yeah, where's the black?
black,
Black
yeah.
one. Yeah. This one.
Black and this okay, right or no?
No, no, no.
No.
And
White.
then red. This one red.
Boss.
Box.
So I show you Burberry, huh?
Burberry na
Burberry.
lang. Yeah.
Hold on. Last side Burberry.
Let's see. Can you give me this one also?
I show you.
And,
Okay,
yeah,
you
more
want
color.
different color, huh?
Different color.
Can you see for Burberry? Yeah?
Yes, I will see the design.
See the
Then I
design
will
same-
ask my dad
Yeah, same
if-
this design.
this design.
Yeah, and we have different color.
Gusto mo, ama? Okay.
So I got
XL.
2X, same baba.
Yes, yes.
2XL.
No, XL. Nilalang. Paypot talaga. na nagtitipid ata. So, yeah. Ito ang mga pinamili natin. So, let's see if mabigat to sa ating luggage because we only have 40 kg. Pero babalik pa tayo tomorrow kung wala tayong masyadong ganap. Kasi kita na. Mamaya, hanapan ko siya. Siguro bag. Tapos sila Zara na mga coloring bag.
1XL.
Parang
1XL.
nagmamodigon ka mo? Okay?
That's good.
Okay. How about this shirt? Yeah, okay. Sure.
Now you see the color, maybe the same color we don't have. Now you want to see it for the color?
Same
Yeah,
color?
yes. You don't have XL for the same color?
Yeah.
Okay, can I see the other color?
XL. Mà ở đây đây sao lại là tay ngắn? Ba để kiểu vậy đó, cho nên là nó là tay dài đó.
Meron ka lang.
One.
Kumasing nga sila sa graduation niya. Slim.
Ah, how about this color?
Ano pa yan na klase?
The like dark color, huh? This color, not that.
This one?
Yeah, ma'am. Dali na yan.
No. Bibilang ka tatlo. Sige.
Eh, okay na.
Chào đi bà ba. Look the color, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah. How many? Three ha?
3.
Three for Papa.
Ayan. So yan. Ano lang. Dalawa lang isa.
And
Okay. And
Guys, tapos na kami dito sa Bintan Market. Hanapin na lang namin yung Grab pickup point. Papunta na kasi kami sa next stop. Kung saan, surprise!
hello guys, and right now we are on our way to Mam Suido, if I pronounce it correctly. So kailangan namin ng pumper day dito sa Ho Chi Minh. And then upon checking, top of the top recommended talaga siya, hair spa dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So from our hotel, it's approximately 16 minutes away. So hopefully wala tayong traffic na madaanan. So yeah. I'll show you around dun sa mismong salon or massage, no? So, yun. Tapos, naman siya, may 30 minutes, may 45 minutes, may 1 hour, or 1.5 hour. So, yeah. Let's see. And, because right now, very hectic ng schedule. So, this is the right time, I believe, to do some bumper, no? This is our first day, technically, because last night, dumating na kami, very late na talaga siya. So, we consider that one as day 0. So, yeah. Finally, we are here sa Mam Suido, no? Located at District 3 ng Ho Chi Minh. And we're going to try this hair spa salon, no? So, let's go. Pasok na tayo. Let's go. Kailan tayo? Hello.
yeah.
So here are the price lists for your different facial hair spa package or hair cares, no? Nakalagay naman dyan. So yan yung mga not too pricey, so very good siya, no? Ayan siya. Tapos may paano pa sila dito. May pa sila. Yan.
Grabe guys, ang saya na experience dito sa Mam Suido. Sobrang relaxing ng hair massage at facial care nila. Para natutulog na nga ako sa sobrang ganda ng pag-handle ng therapist. Super gentle na nakakalimutan mo may inisip ka pa. Lalo na ngayon, feeling ko para matutulog na ako.
Hello guys and good evening from Ho Chi Minh. So right now we are here at the museum. We're going to have some quick midnight snack. Pero medyo maaga siya sa typical na midnight snack. So right now, tatry natin tong Mili Mili Bakery, no? One of the most recommended cafe here at Ho Chi Minh. So ito yung itsura niya. The museum, so let's go inside lang here. So yan, pasok lang tayo dyan. Just going inside here. Nakikita nyo, mayroong croissant doon sa center ng cafe. And the closing time for this cafe is, bakery is 10 p.m. So let's see. Let's try their famous croissant. So, truffle and salted latte.
Okay, so this croffle, wow. Sobrang perfect combination ng crispiness sa labas, tamis ng feelings sa loob. Ang saya kasi sa bawat kagat is like a waffle pero with that croissant flakiness. Kung may trip kayong matry na bagong dessert, this one is a must try. Now, this salted latte. Hala, sobrang sarap. May konting sweetness tapos the hint of saltiness brings a unique twist. Perfect balance siya, hindi matamis, hindi maalat, just right. This is my new fave coffee for sure. Halos ubos na yung croffle and honestly, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung experience dito sa Mili Mili Bakery. Ang sarap ng dessert tapos swak na swak pa yung drinks, lalo na yung salted latte. Solid stop siya if you're looking for a chill cafe moment dito sa Ho Chi Minh.
So, the reason why nandito tayo sa second level is because maganda yung view dito tsaka overlooking mo yung croissant sa gitna. Yan ang view mo pag nandito sa taas. So yun lang, try this Mili Mili Bakery located at Ho Chi Minh, no? So yun.
That wraps up our day 1 here in Ho Chi Minh. Guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga experiences natin today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next vlog. Feel free to comment down below and share this video with your friends. Also, I have TikTok and other social media account na nakalink na sa ating description box below. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!